Hi, the guys at RYR Gaming Store gave me these headphones to review, and I want to unbox them or show you what's in the box and then talk to you and show you how beautiful they look. These are gaming headphones that are really specifically geared for using mostly with Xbox 360 X and S series. Plus, they work with the Nintendo Switch. However, the microphone in the Nintendo Switch is not going to work, but you can use them with. It's really, really nicely made. Let me show you how nice they look. You see that? And they feel amazing. They feel really, really made. The Captain 200, these things are the real deal. And they feel really nice. These cushions right here, these earmuffs, they feel like they're memory foam, and you can they move totally around. You see, so they charge fully. When you charge them, you can charge them fully for 2.5 hours, right? 2.5 hours, and then you can use them uninterrupted. I mean, I don't recommend that. For 45 hours. So the battery life of these headphones is amazing, and they connect wirelessly with the Xbox and the all the Xbox, right? The X, the S, and the 360. Let me show you what comes in there. So it comes, of course, the headphones. This is for connecting with the. So you take this, right? And let me show you. So you take one of these. You take these off, of course, the protective, and you're going to for the connectivity, you're going to want to do this. So now this connects wirelessly with your game. Okay, so it comes with that. It comes with the microphone with a pop filter. So this is a microphone. Check it out. Remember, these headphones are noise canceling, so your experience is going to be amazing. It's suggested to put the pop filter on it, right? Put the pop filter on it. Real nice. It protects the microphone, and plus it makes the quality of your speech better. And then you're going to connect these right here. You see? You're going to connect it right there. There you go. So they're really, really, really nice. Really, really nice and comfortable. If you get tired, right? Your ears. Sometimes it's good to do this, right? To open it up so that you don't feel that pressure all the time. I know I wear these when I play. I mean, I don't play for that long. I'm not gonna lie, but it's excellent. And then it comes with all the cables that you would want for charging, right? So these are like the charging cables, right? And I guess that if you run out of battery, you could connect it wired. You could wired connection to your also controller. So I guess that's going to be, you connect it here, and then you connect this to C, which is around this side, right? So, and it comes with a USB-A to C for those gamers that are using computer games, that are doing computer games, and maybe the wireless capabilities are not going to be the best, right? Because, well, yeah, it's really, really intended. The Captain 200, it's really intended for for use of the 360. Now let's turn it on because it has a really beautiful light to it. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it here because it's so bright in here right now. Yeah, it's too bright, but it has these lines right here. They're green. They're lit green. Yeah, it's too bright here for you to see it. But take my word for it. So, you know, they look beautiful. Great compatibility with the Xbox. And Nintendo Switch, and you can use for gaming with PCs. Thank you for the guys at RYR for sending these Captain 200s. I'm gonna have you take a nice beautiful look at these that are so well made and so beautiful, and I'm gonna have hours and hours of fun with these headphones. Super recommended.